Hey, I'm here in Gardendale, Alabama at an AMA field. I'm about to fly the INVADE 2 around. The Birmingham RC Association invited us out to their BHAM Jam event in Gardendale, Alabama. They wanted to get some drone chase footage of their planes. To learn more, I spoke with Kenny Rogers. Kenny, most people don't realize that you own a chain of RC hobby stores all over the globe, is that right?
We're in 20 foreign countries. We have 3 stores in Beijing, China. We're in Malaysia, we're in Japan, we're in Israel. I just came back from Greece the other day.
Okay, I spoke with a different Kenny Rogers. So these fixed wing, most of them, nobody flies them FPV.
There are a few folks that do fly them FPV.
Are they here?
They're not here today.
Oh, okay. How far can you go out? How far is your airspace?
It's just like the drone world. It's working on the same hardware, the same systems.
Okay, does it have return to home?
There are flight controllers that have returned to home.
Are there any that are large enough to carry a toddler?
Yes.
Really?
There's
The jet?
See the big jet out there?
Yeah. Let's strap a toddler on that thing.
Yeah, why not? It'd be fun, right?
Let's do it. All right, we're going to do that. Are we going to do that?
You got a toddler?
Damn, I forgot. I always bring one with me. We then chased a few planes, but they were all really fast. Then, Mr. Rogers had a suggestion.
You're sure that what you're planning and doing are things that can be a real help to you and your neighbor.
Oh, I'm sure, but I meant the other Mr. Rogers. Being held together with rubber bands and Band-Aids. I see what you're saying. I don't want it to hit the button.
All right.
Like that?
Why not?
Mind if I put some tape?
No, let's shake the hell out of it right quick, see?
Yeah, okay. Why didn't I record that?
I'm proud of you, you know that.
He shook it to test the camera, but the plane. Is that made by Boeing?
No.
Okay, all right. Okay.
You ready?
Hand launch. Oh my goodness.
Is that slow enough?
Yeah, that's good.
Coming across.
Okay.
I'm gonna hand launch this.
If you stay in a straight line, I can get a nice shot of myself.
Now I got Ken in the shot too.
Okay.
All right, we're turning left.
That's a good speed.
Right to left.
Oh.
How close are you to stalling?
Not really. I got half flaps down, so I'm
Okay.
not that close.
Do a little barrel roll over you. If you go over the runway again, I can reacquire.
I'm hitting the runway now.
Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. I got you, Dave.
Woo!
I got you, Dave.
Who's in the T-28?
Oh, yeah, this is good. Oh, my gosh.
Turning left.
Whoa! You almost turned left into me. That was close. Are you going to come in for a landing? Because I got just enough to follow you in.
Yeah, I can get down.
All right. Oh, man.
There we go.
Yeah. Wow. That was great. Yeah. Dave, you going to chase that big expensive one?
I think they said no.
They won't even let us do it. Can you imagine we get sucked into the jet intake or something?
You don't have the insurance for that.
No.
Oh, I want to ride in it though. Can we put FPV on it?
I don't know why any of these guys don't do that.
It blows my mind.
All right, so he's got some fly high lights on his. Oh, nice. Disco plane.
Yeah.
Did you name the little dude in there? What would you call him if you had to pick a name?
Henry.
Henry, that's a good name. That's my dog's name. All right. I think it'll work better if you move your legs. What is your name?
Jeremy Hartman from the Bottle Box.
Okay, and you have, that is so cool, man.
Fully working suspension, front disc brake.
Yeah.
As you can hear, it's got a flywheel in it that spins up to 22,000 RPM. That's what keeps it stable. So when you pick it
Right.
up now, when you move in.
Oh yeah, okay. Did you name the guy?
No, and you can get all different driver suits for them too.
Did you have the Evel Knievel thing
No.
as a kid?
No,
I've got one of
no.
those.
Really?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, look at it go. All right, so he's gonna pop a wheelie now. All these people, just 2 porta potties. Let me order something. Let me turn on the speaker on the drone. Yes, hi, can I get 1 hamburger with ketchup? Okay, I don't have a speaker on this thing yet. Not yet. Hey, I'm Ken.
Hey, Dennis Fullen.
Dennis and
Linda.
Are you ready to see what I was filming?
I am.
Do you get motion sickness?
No.
What do you think?
Oh, man. Oh, yeah. There he is. I'm trying to move my head.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Yeah. I'll be doggone.
Does she want to see?
Yeah, she does. That is neat. I like that.
So we're chasing. What do you think?
That's neat.
Does she get sick? No?
I hope
Damn.
not.
One of these days I'm gonna get somebody vomiting on with the goggles. Yeah, I've been wanting to get someone. You know any queasy people?
No.
Hey, so there's a old school bus at the end of the runway. I'm gonna go check it out with the Avata 2. Oh, can I go in there? Oh, too much scraggle. The back window's open. Oh, man. Dave, have you flown an Avata 2?
I have not. I'd love to fly it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Yeah, how do I get out of angle mode?
No, we're doing,
Oh,
no,
dude,
no, we're not doing manual.
not fair.
We're not. I haven't even flown it manual. Sorry.
What?
It's a Mavic. Treat it as a Mavic.
Not a Mavic. I'm
Dave,
flying
Dave,
a
bitch.
tree.
Wait a minute. Today is April 20th, and I let Dave take control of my
Need some more
very
knowledge,
precious.
authority.
No authority. All right, bring it back.
Slide.
No, bring it back. No slide. Bring it back here. Come on, man.
Dude, I'm going through this tree.
No, don't do it. Why did I trust him?
Dude, you knew what I was going to do.
All right, come on. Come on, Dave. Bring it back.
Oh,
Seriously.
Don't mess with me right when I'm going through the tree.
Seriously, bring it back. Come on, man. Bring it back. Come
The
on.
battery's good. Is it?
Bring it back here. Bring it back here.
Coming back. Look, there's the bus.
I know it's the
Whoa,
bus.
There's some serious scraggle on the
Yes,
bus.
there is. Come on, man. Come on, come on. Come on.
There's the bus.
Dave, come on, bring it back here. What have I done? What have I done, guys? What have...
Dude, this thing's going to fly for like a half an hour. Oh, look, the window's over here.
No, Dave. Come on. Bring it back. Seriously. Bring it back. I'm not
Look
kidding.
at the windows.
I'm not kidding. Bring it back, Dave. Dave, bring it back. Are you?
Come on,
I
you
can't
walk
see
out
what he's
there.
doing.
He's still in one piece. You can see it right there.
You can see it? He's not in the bus?
Not yet.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, he already went through the bus.
No.
How are the sensors on it? Or is it gonna
No sensors. They're off. Bring it back. Seriously, Dave.
Dude, it looks like somebody lives in there.
Dave, please bring my very expensive drone back, please.
I'm going to bring it back.
Do it now. Come on, man.
Oh, it's so slow, though. Please turn it into fast mode.
No.
Come on, man.
All right, I'll give you sport mode. That's it. That's it. Is it better?
Oh, yeah, I'm going a whole 20 miles
Okay,
an hour.
bring it back here, Dave. He's thumbing it too, like an amateur.
It's going 33.
Okay, back into normal.
Back to normal. Dude, do you not trust me to fly any drone?
Not this one.
Don't you have DJI aftercare? Or something?
I don't.
Oh,
I do not. Come on.
Oh, that
Come on.
was a mistake, Ken.
Dave, come on. Come on, Dave. Come on.
Seriously, you don't have aftercare?
I don't.
Bro, do you not have faith in the system?
Bro, I have
system
faith in
is
my friend that will
you're-
bring it back.
You're gonna break this thing.
Come on.
And then when you
No.
break it, they just
Jinxing me.
take
Knock
care of
on
it.
wood.
They
No. Come on.
They don't actually repair your
Dave,
stuff.
please
They
bring
just
it back.
send
Please, I'm begging you,
a
Dave.
refurb in the mail.
Dave, bring it back.
It's
Bring
so
my
slow,
drone
though.
back
Make
to
it
me.
go faster.
That's
thank
it.
You, thank you.
Please bring it
Dude,
back.
The range on this thing is probably killer too, though, right?
It is. How far away have you gone?
I'm on a grassy knoll.
Come on, Dave. Bring it
So,
back.
You made me fly half the battery in angle mode. Can I have the
No,
acro pack now?
after you bring it back first. Okay, there. Now I'm putting it in normal mode, so you can get in here and land it on my hand. All right, land.
Give me some acro though.
Ah.
You know
Your
what-
thoughts?
You know what pilots crave?
Why?
Acro.
All right, Dave, give me the control. Give me.
I still want
Let
to
go.
fly acro.
Let go. Let go.
It's time to up your game
To what?
to fly acro mode with the Avata 2.
It's not acro. It's wacro. It's not real acro. It's crap, bro.
Full manual, brother.
Yeah, no, I'm not
Turn-
doing it. That's not
turn
why.
it-
That's not why.
Turn it on.
No,
Unlock the power.
no, that's not why I use
Unlock
this.
the power.
Nah, that's why I have these. That's what these are for.
I know. This is the real dealio.
Yeah.
But still, unlock the full capability of this so that you can glide and slide and flip.
We'll do that. We'll do that later.
Because I feel so limited. So limited.
And one more thing before we go, Kenny, please never get facial plastic surgery. It'll make you look weird.
Hey, you see that? I never realized that.
I hear him.
Oh, here he is. He's coming from your left.
There he is.
He's upside down. Dude, what's your voltage?
Nothing.
Nothing, yeah.
I worked for Southern Natural Gas 23 and a half years.
I make natural gas. I've made it for 57 years.
Where?
You know, right here.
You know, that's how you can tell when you're grown up inside.
What's my favorite kind of M&M?
Green.
No, plain.